Alright my dudes, now it is time for us to talk about some of the common CSS properties that we can use, and I'm gonna show you the common and the stuff that gonna be a game changer. So let's open this slide, and as you can see I have divided the common CSS properties into two main parts. The style properties, essentially the style properties are the properties that gonna change the style of an element directly. So what do I mean by that? Let me switch back here to, for example, this one right here. Okay, for example, the style properties are the properties that gonna change the style of for example of an HTML tag. Okay, for example, for example this let's say our expert text right here, that you can see it right here on the left. We have changed the size of it, so you can see it's bigger now. So we have changed the style of it, make it bigger. Okay, so the style properties are the properties that gonna change the style of an element directly. Okay, so changing how it's looking. Okay, and here is the most common one: background color for changing the color itself, not the background. We have the font size, we have the box shadow and border, and these are literally the names. Okay, so you have to keep them in your mind: background color and font size, box shadow and border. So these are the stuff that we are going to use daily to change our style, our HTML tags, they're looking. All right, so these are the basics one. The next video I'm gonna show you different types of styles, so keep that one in mind. These are the properties that will change the appearance of an HTML tag. Okay, so in the next video I'm gonna discuss the positioning properties. See you in that one.